All right. I am a realtor. I love the way that they do it in all
I
caps.
did like that.
I normally make edible baskets. I like that part. Um, you can send it right here to Anderson if it's cookies. Uh, and I take to my past clients around the holidays. So that's really nice of you. Is it past clients or even to your regular clients? I also cater lunches for businesses that I obtain clients from. Can I write off these expenses as advertising? This is awesome. Jeff, you know the rules.
Okay, so the edible baskets that you're creating, you're going to be able to write off your cost of those baskets
Up to
up to $75.
$25.
That was 75. Okay.
Gifts. They didn't index it for inflation. It's been the same thing for like 50 years or some ridiculous term.
Okay.
Or you make it as advertising. Either way, you're going to be writing it off. But you have a gift amount of $25 that you don't have to report, that you just write off per person per year. So if you're making edible baskets, depends on what you're using for the contents. But my guess is you could write it off under either of those two sections.
Now the catered lunches, that's going to come under the meal rules.
Mm-hmm.
So that's going to be, you're going to be able to deduct half of what you actually paying for those catered lunches. There is a 100% exception, but that's got to be lunches open to the public, like open houses, things of that nature.
Mm-hmm. Now what they're saying is, can I do it as advertising? I think what they're saying is, I know that people try to do this. And technically, if you're trying to generate business and it's aggregated into one expense. So what I'd be doing is seeing if you can't, if you're catering a lunch, it depends on how it's being broken out. If it's food is separate from the room, I think you're going to have an issue.
I agree.
If the food is included in a room fee and you have a basic, like, hey, you have to meet a minimum of food and beverage, then I think you're okay.
Yeah,
I think you're right.
I completely agree with that.
Yeah. So the answer is it depends, but chances are we'll find a way for you to write it off if you're working with us. If whoever your accountant may be, that's where they get their pencils out, sharpen it up, and make sure that they're giving you good advice.